In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively present long lists on a single PowerPoint slide. We all know how challenging it can be to fit extensive lists neatly and clearly into a presentation. It can often feel like a daunting task, ensuring the information is accessible without overwhelming your audience. But don't worry, today I'll guide you through a simple method to solve this common PowerPoint problem. To begin, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your presentation file ready to go. Once you have PowerPoint launched, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on. You'll want to ensure you're on the slide that contains your long list of information. Next, click directly on the text list you're working with. This will select the text box where the list is located, making it easier to apply the necessary changes. Once selected, simply right-click on the text box. You'll see a menu pop up with various options. What you're looking for is the Format Shape option. Click on that and you'll notice a new panel that typically appears on the right side of your screen. In the Format Shape panel, search for the Text Options tab. This section provides you with several customizable settings specifically tailored for tweaking how your text is displayed. Ensure you've selected this tab to move on to the next steps effectively. Now, here comes a crucial part. Within the text options, there are three icons representing different functions. Select the third one. This icon is typically where you can find the settings related to text layout and how it appears within the text box itself. With the appropriate text option selected, you'll now click on Columns. By default, PowerPoint organizes text in single columns, but here you have the ability to change that. Increasing the number of columns is an easy way to make better use of space on your slide. When you adjust the number of columns, you may notice your text instantly reorganizes across the increased number of columns available. This not only saves space but also enhances readability, making your slide appear more structured and less cluttered. Finally, confirm your changes by clicking on OK. This will apply your column adjustments to the text box and ensure that your long list is neatly divided, substantially improving the slide's layout. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to present long lists in your PowerPoint presentations without compromising on design. This method helps your audience focus better, as the clean layout makes information easier to digest. I hope you found this tutorial useful for your future presentations. Thanks for watching.